Today we will do new chapter, that is simple linear equation sums. See, this is the question. It is asking us to solve. So see, if you get a sign as is equal to, always remember you have to do cross multiplication, and if you don't have anything below the numerator, we'll put here as 1, we'll assume here as 1. So shall we cross multiply this? X plus 3 into 1 is x plus 3, right? X plus 3 then is equals to 8 8s are 64. Therefore we have to find the value here. No, x plus 3 is equals to 64. You got the answer. So your answer is 64. So we'll do another sum, that is 2v plus 3 by 7 is equals to 4. If you don't have anything here in the denominator, what will you assume? You will assume this as 1, no? So shall we cross multiply this? 2v into plus 3 into 1 is 2v plus 3 is equals to 7 4s are 28. So what did you get? 2v plus 3 is equals to 28, no? So we'll put the value here. 2v plus 3 is equals to 28. So this is the third sum question. The question is minus 4y is equals to minus 16. Okay, this is the question. You know what will we do? We'll take out the alphabet out. Y is equals to minus 16, or minus 16, we'll put it here. Now where will you put this minus 4? If you take out minus y, what is left here? Minus 4 is left. So we will bring here to the denominator minus 4. Can we cancel minus and minus here? You can cancel this any one table. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Therefore your answer is y is equals to 4. See, you got the value y is equals to 4. Now we'll do the fourth sum. See here, we got, this is the question, you got the sign here in between is equal to, so we will cross multiply this. X into 6 is how much? 6x, right? X into 6 is 6x is equals to 12 into 1 is 12. That's all. Now see, we'll bring this x down, we'll bring is equals to 12 down. Now 6x, now you got x here. Now you bring this 6, only 6 is left, you bring this in the denominator. Now 6, can we cancel this? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Therefore x is equals to 2. So your answer, the value of x is equals to 2. So now we will do the fifth sum of simple linear equations. Here this is the question, x by minus 3 is equals to 4. We should cross multiply here. X, if there is nothing here, we'll assume here as 1. Now x into 1 is 1x is equals to 3 into 4 is 3 4s are 12. You got here, you have a minus sign. Now you'll put here minus sign. Therefore x is equals to minus 12 is your answer. So this is the next question. This is the question. See, if you don't have anything here, you will assume here as 1, no? Now we'll do a cross multiplication here. 3 into 1 is 3, minus sign minus, y into 1 is y only is equals to 3 into 4 into 3 is 4 3s are 12. Now there is only alphabet here, and here you have numbers, no? This is number and this is an alphabet variable. So shall we shift variables one side and numbers one side in this sum? See, this is variable, no? We'll take this minus y here is equals to 12. See here 3 is here. If you don't have any sign, you will think this is plus, no? If you bring this plus 3 here, if you shift it here, it will become minus 3. This is 12 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 is how much? 9, no? We'll take out a y here. This minus sign will come here. So your y value of y is minus 9 is your final answer. See, now this is the question. 3y plus 4 is equals to 22. See here 3y is number and variable here. So we'll bring this down. Okay. Now take this 22 down. 22. Now if you take plus 4, if you bring it here, it will become minus 4. Now plus 4, if you shift it here, only the signs will change. If you shift the place, the signs will change. Now plus 4, if you bring it here, it will become minus 4. So 22 minus 4 is how much? 18. 3y, put it down. Now we'll take this variable down, only the variable. These 3y is both, this is a number and this is an alphabet. Now we'll take only alphabet down here, variable here. Y is equal to 18. Now we'll take this number and put it in the denominator, that is 3. Now how much? 3 ones are 3, 3, 6 are 18. Therefore your answer is y is equals to 6 is your final answer. See, now this is the next term of simple linear equation chapter. This is the question. See, here you have a bracket here. No, bracket means what? Bracket is multiplication. So what will we do here? We'll multiply this with this, 3 into y and 3 into 1. That's all. 3 into 1. 3 into y is 3y. Minus sign. 3 ones are 3. That's all. Now you solved the brackets. Now you will solve the rest thing. What is it? Plus 6 is equals to 12. Now take this 3y here. So 3y. Now you have numbers here. Now first we'll solve this number and then we'll shift the number to the number side. See, now plus into minus, you got here minus, you got here plus. Plus into minus is minus. So the greater number sign is plus. Plus into minus is minus. If you minus 6 minus 3 is 3 is equals to 12. Copy this down. Now only this alphabet and your variable will copy down here. 3y is equals to 12. We'll copy this down, not this, because we're gonna shift this here. No, plus 3 will, if it comes here, it will become minus 3. So 3y is equals to 12 minus 3 is how much? 9. So you'll bring only the variable down. Y is equals to 9. 9 by, you will bring this 3 to the denominator side, 3. So how can we cancel this? 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore your answer is 3. Therefore the value of y is equals to 3. See, now we will do this ninth sum. This is the question. S plus 80 is equals to 60. See, this is a simple question. Okay, here this is an alphabet, these are numbers, and even these are numbers. So can we change this alphabet and bring it here? If we bring here, it will become minus 80. No, so let's do this sum now. See, this is an alphabet, so shall we bring it down? S is equals to 60. After is equals to, you got 60 here, 60. Now we will change this number to the number side. We'll bring this number. See, this is an alphabet, this is a number, and even this is a number. No, so shall we bring the number to this side, to the number side only? So plus 80, if we bring it here, it will become minus 80. Therefore your answer is S is equal to 60 minus 80 is how much? 20. What is the greater number here? 80. No, the greater number sign is minus, so we'll put this greater number sign as minus 20. So the value of S is equals to minus 20. So now we will do this 10th sum of simple linear equation chapter. See, this is the question. Y by 10 minus 12 is equals to 9. See, now just see, you don't have any denominators here. No, first we'll solve this much. The denominator here, if it's not there, you will assume here as 1. We'll assume the denominator here as 1. So now you didn't get an is equal to sign here, you got a minus sign here. If you would have got is equal to sign, only then you would have cross multiplied. Now you didn't get any is equal to sign in between this, right? You got a sign that is minus. If you get any sign minus or plus, at that time you should take LCM and not cross multiply. Only if you get is equal to sign, only at that time you have to cross multiply. See, here it's 10 and 1. So what is the LCM of 10 and 1? 10, no? Then what will you put? How do you take LCM? Y minus, here you multiply this one, 10 into 1 is 10, 1 into 10 is 10. So y into 1 is y. 12 into 10 is 12 into 10, y into 1. Y into 1 is y. 12 into 10 is 120 is equals to 9. See, here you got an is equal to sign here, no? At that time you can cross multiply. If you get a sign of is equal to in between the numbers, at that time you can cross multiply. See, you don't have any number here, no? So we'll put a 1 here. You'll assume here as 1. y into 1 is y, minus sign minus, 120 into 1 is 120, is equals to 9 into 10 is 90. Now we'll take the variable here y is equals to 90. We'll bring this down 90. This minus 120, if it comes here, it will become plus 120. So y is equals to 120 plus 90 is how much? 210, no? Therefore your answer is 210. Therefore y is equals to 210. So this is another sum. See here the question is minus q is equals to 2 plus q, right? See, this is an alphabet here. Even this is a variable, this is a number, no? These two are variables and only this one is number. So can we bring this variable here? Can we bring it? We can bring, no? We can bring plus q here. We can bring the variable to the variable side. See, even here it's a variable, no? We'll copy this down, minus q. Now even this is a variable. Shall we bring it to the variable side? This is the variable side, no? If you bring it, what will happen? If you bring plus q here, it will become minus q is equals to 2. 2 will be there in 2's place only, no? After is equals to. Say now, minus into minus is plus. So the sign here will be minus only. Sign will not change. The greater number sign is minus only. Minus into minus is plus. If you add q plus q is 2. 2q is equals to 2. Now we'll take this q here down. Only the variable will take down. This is 2, we'll take it down. Now this number minus 2, we'll bring it here to the denominator. To cancel out, we'll bring it here. Minus 2. So if we cancel this, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Therefore your answer will be minus 1, no? Q is equals to minus 1. How minus 1? Here see, it is a minus sign, no? Here you don't have any sign. If you had any minus sign here, you would have cancelled both of it, but you don't have any minus sign here. You have only one minus sign. So we will bring the answer, we will bring this sign to the answer, that is minus 1. Therefore q is equals to minus 1 is your final answer. See, this is the question now. Now you got an is equal to sign in the between, in the middle of these two numbers, no? So we can easily cross multiply this, no? We'll cross multiply it. If you don't have any number here, what will you assume here? It will be 1 here. 2t plus 3 into 1. 2t into 1 is 2t. Plus sign is plus. 3 into 1 is 3. 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35. Okay, now we'll take this variable and number down. 2t is equals to 35, no, 35. Now if you bring this plus 3, see, this is a variable and number, so let it be in its place. Here it is only in the number, here it's variable and number, let it be in its place. And plus 3 and 35, even 35 is a number, even 3 is a number, no? We'll bring this plus 3 here, we'll bring it to the number side. If you bring this here, plus 3 here, it will become, the signs will change. So plus 3, if it comes here, it will become minus 3. So your answer will be 35 minus 3 is how much? 32. Now we'll take this variable down. T is equals to 32, also we'll take it down. See, now you have left this 2, no? You didn't take that down, no? So now we'll take this T2, we'll put it down here in the numerator side just to cancel it. We'll put it here, 2. Now can we cancel this? 2 ones are 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Therefore t is equals to 16. The value of t is 16. So 16 is your final answer. See, this is another question of simple linear equation chapter. The main is frame the equation. He's asking you, he has given you this sentence. You have to convert this sentence in an equation form. See, now shall we read this sentence? Question, a number decreased by 10 is 30. He's telling a number decreased by 10. So you have to assume a number, that is a number. Shall we assume a number as x and it is decreased? So we'll assume a number as x. Decreased means minus, no, subtraction, decreased. So I'll put a sign of decreased, minus. A number decreased by 10. So we'll put here 10. Is 30. Is nothing but is equal to 30. That's all. See, only this much is your answer. you have to frame this in an equation form. This is called an equation. If you get an is equal to sign with a variable and number, that means it is an equation form. See, that's all. See, this is another question. A book costs twice that of a pen. The pen and the book together is rupees 48. Together is rupees. A book costs twice that of a pen. Twice that of a pen means first we have to find one pen. So we'll assume one pen as x here. X. He's telling together, no? A book costs twice that of a pen. Twice that of a pen means first you'll find one value of a pen, that is x. Now twice means you'll add 2. X plus one more pen is 2x. See, the cost, a book cost, one book costs twice that of a pen. One pen costs x. Twice that means you have to add one cost of one and the second thing, no? So the pen and the book together, these together, x plus 2x together is equals to 48. That's all. See, this is the question. You have to form this in an equation form. So this is your answer. That's all. See, now this is another main in the same chapter. See here it has bring these things are in words, no? So you brought this words in an equation form. You got the answer here. See, even these are words, you brought this in an equation form. Now he is telling you express in words the meaning of the following equation. See, previously you brought these words in an equation form. Now these are in an equation form. You have to bring this equation form in the words form, in this form. So how can we do? See, 12 minus x is equals to 8. What will we do? See, x is nothing but you have assumed a number. So shall we put a number? A number. What is it has been? Minus, no? Minus means decreased. A number decreased. Decreased by what? It is decreased by which number? It is decreased by 12, no? A number, that is we have assumed the number as x. X has been decreased by 12, no? So decreased, a number decreased by 12 is equal to what? Is equal to 8, no? So we'll put that in a word, in a sentence form, is equal to, it is equal to what? 8. See, this is the answer. A number decreased by 12 is equal to 8. See, even this is the same question. Express this in words. Express these words in an equation form. See, these are in sentence, no, in words form. You have to bring these words in an equation form. The question here is Sandeep has twice as many rupees as Sonia. Together they have rupees 150. How many rupees does Sonia have? Now see, Sandeep has twice as many rupees. Twice as many rupees as Sonia. Now first we'll find Sandeep has twice as money as Sonia. How much money as Sonia has? We'll put here x plus twice is 2, no? 2 plus which Sonia has. So how much Sandeep has? So has twice. Sonia has x money. Sandeep has twice means you have to add twice. 2 as Sonia. Sonia's money is x, so we'll add that also. 2x is equals to rupees as Sonia. Together they have rupees 150. 150, no, is equals to 150. That's all. This is the equation. Now can we solve this equation? We can absolutely solve this equation, because see here, x plus 2x is how much? 3x. 3x is equals to 150. Now we'll bring this x down. X is equals to 150. Also we'll bring this down. 150 divided by 3. We'll bring this 3 down in the new denominator. 3. Now we can cancel this. No, 3 ones are 3. 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are 15, and this 0 will come here. 0. 3 into 50 is 150. Therefore your answer is x is equals to 50. That's all. This is the answer. See, it's very easy, no? See, I have given you small example of all the sums of a simple linear equation. I have done each sum of simple linear equation. If you liked my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.